Welcome back. In this lecture, we focus on the function for importing data, reading a CSV file into a data frame using the powerful pd.read_CSV function. We will cover the basic usage and two essential arguments for correctly structuring your data upon import. 1. Basic CSV data import. The simplest usage of pd.read_CSV only requires passing the file path. By default, Pandas is optimized for standard CSV files, meaning it assumes commas separate the values, and the first line contains the column headers. The result is always a data frame, and we use the .head method to quickly inspect the first 5 rows. Two, handling non-standard CSV delimiters. Although we call them CSV files, they don't always use a comma. If your file uses a different character, like a semicolon or a pipe, to separate the values, you must specify it using the sep argument. Failing to do so will result in a data frame with only one column containing all the data lumped together. Three, specifying the index column. If your data file contains a column that serves as a unique identifier and should be used as the custom row index for cleaner access, you use the index_call argument. You can pass either the column's name, such as ID, or its zero-based position. This moves the chosen column from the data area to the row label area. To summarize, .read_CSV is essential for getting data into Pandas. Our next lecture 36.19, Write Data. See you there.